Good morning. This is like nerd alert. Do you know what these are? These are the erasers that you would find on the top of mechanical pencils. You know, these ones. So I managed to find them. Look. Oh my gosh, I've got like a supply forever. Let me change this out. Oh wait, it's too small. No, they're too small. Alright, it fits this pen. Alright, so I'll just have to buy uni ball pens from now. That is perfection. Ooh, I can hear my water boiling. Ooh. Just sat down, gonna have a little bit of coffee first and thinking of what I want to put on my face for another Lux Chit Chat. There are a few topics. One is how many is too many? And then there is also a topic on does YouTubers or do YouTubers cause things to become outdated or untrendy? Like they say, oh my gosh, this is outdated already, and then people just follow the trend and just believe it. I don't know, should I talk about that? That could be a little sensitive because, you know, I'm talking about other YouTubers saying things like that, including myself. So I don't know if I want to touch that topic on a full video. We did it in a Lux like live stream. Yeah, I don't know. We are at IKEA because we need to buy the 2 stools and it has been out of stock, so now we're back here again. It is considered empty for a Saturday because it has been raining non-stop for 2 days. Seriously, non-stop. There are many places in KL and Selangor and Shah Alam that have been it's just flooded. Wow, so much greenery. What do you buy? So we're looking for this chair and it's the 63 centimeters. Look, it has been raining like this for the past 2 days. Yesterday and today. Look, it's just non-stop. So many places are flooded. So we're ordering crab at this restaurant called Sweet Inn. The crab is really good here. And what else is good here? There's a dish with sangha meat. It's large like tiger prawns with noodles. It's really yummy. A little bit expensive, but food is good. Hamdan sotong, my favorite kangkong. We have chicken, rice, mantau, and I haven't had chiku for so long. Look at this chiku, man. Chiku. Good morning. I just finished cycling myself and I'm gonna clean the bike. Then wipe down my sweat. Okay, now it's 12:30 now, so I'm gonna go home because we have a members live today. I'm ordering wonton mee. Probably need to cycle another 2 classes after eating this. I'm gonna have a quick lunch. Oh my gosh, it's gigantic. Oh my gosh, this wonton mee is gigantic. I did ask for large, but uncle was really generous. That's a lot. Wow. Okay. I've got like 5 minutes to gulp some food down and then I gotta get ready for the luxury live show members only. It's gonna be a fun one. We're going out for dinner now with my parents and my brother because today he took off his what is it called, that band, right? So today the digital tracker came off and it's finally stopped raining. It stopped raining, I would say about mid-afternoon because it was still slightly like really drizzling a little bit, but but by afternoon it's totally stopped, so it's really good because it was raining 2 days straight, 48 hours, more than 48 hours, 50 hours of raining, and not any kind of like soft rain, it was raining. Wow! Whoa. I'm having a quick breakfast at this place called Maison des Pines. I don't know. So the reason I'm in Publica is because I'm having lunch with a few friends who I haven't seen for so long. So it's really good to see them. Oh my goodness, this is so good. It's got chocolate inside. Chocolate on the top, chocolate inside. Wow, it's so good. Alright, we're going to the Red Bean. The vlogs, yeah, don't play, no. How tall is it? Is it as tall as a glass? Yeah, it is. Oh, look at the drip. I know, the drip thing. I don't know what you're seeing from that side, but this side is everything. Branding. Oh, branding. That's really nice. You got the right picture.
Is that whiskey?
Yeah, what it is? Oh, maple syrup. Okay, I just finished one class. Instead of cycling today, I went and do body pump, and I haven't done body pump since like last Monday, so that was painful. Okay. I'm gonna get my eyes checked because I think my eyesight is not doing so well. No, if only I can find where is the shop. Oh my, okay, so I am going to Paris Mickey to do my glasses. The strangest thing is, I remember there were 2 stores like this. One at another floor and one here. But for some reason, the other store is missing. So I'm gonna ask them if they closed down. Yay, done. I did my spectacles. I was looking at almost all the glasses, and actually some of them were so expensive, like 2,000-3,000 ringgit, and they had like 20% off. But I don't need $2,000-3,000 glasses without even the spectacle lens. And I walked and I saw this one pair from Prada, which kind of like a cat eye look. Not too bad, and yeah, price was okay. After 20%, it was like 880 ringgit, then plus my lens, which was so surprising. I'll talk about that once I get in the car. I am back from the mall and had dinner, and then now just lying down. So when I did my eye test, what I learned today before I end today's vlog, let me share with you. There were a few tests, and for years and years and years when I've been doing eye tests, I never knew what each test meant. So they did 3 tests that I was like, oh, okay, interesting. Number 1, you know, they do the which color is brighter. They ask you red is brighter or green is brighter. So apparently if you say red is brighter, that means your power has gone up. But if you say green is brighter, then it means your power has gone down. So for my left eye, when I looked at the numbers with the color, I said, oh, green is brighter. So it actually went down. When I used my right eye, red was brighter. So the power from my right eye went up. Okay, so that's one test. Then the second test that they did was this like sort of like a sunburst. So there's a circle in the middle and lots of lines all over. And he asked me, which line is brighter? And for most, actually for me, it was like they're all bright. I mean, they looked okay, like there's not any kind of like less bright. And that was to test astigmatism. So if I were to say, oh, some lines were brighter than some lines, that means I have astig, which is very strange because previously I always had astigmatism. But apparently I don't have it anymore. Or the way the test was done today, he could not determine whether I have astigmatism. Third test was a dot. So there was just one white dot at the end, and I was supposed to put my hands together like this, both hands like that, and create a triangle. And I was supposed to look like, put my hand forward as far as I can to reach forward like this, and then create a triangle between my thumb and my finger, with both hands, and make sure that dot is right in the center of my triangle. Okay, and I look forward, look with both eyes, and what he'll do is cover one eye and then cover the other eye. So when I cover one eye, I could see the dot, and I covered the other eye, I could no longer see the dot. So that is to determine which is your dominant eye. So when he covered my left eye, I could not see the dot. When he covered my right eye, I could see the dot. And therefore, I am right eye dominant. Now that I know I am right eye dominant, I am going to give my right eye a break. So now I'm going to watch everything with my left eye. So I'm going to rest my right eye. Give it a break. Been working too hard, that's why the power went up. So I'm going to like patch my eye now. You're right eye dominant as well?
Is it?
Yeah. Alright, so I think I'm going to end the vlog here. I really don't know how many days of worth of film like videos I have. Quite a lot, but anyway, so we will end it here and then continue tomorrow. Bye.